In this video, you're going to learn how to forget a Wi-Fi network on a Mac computer. What's up guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I create video lessons and tutorials to help people learn how to use technology to improve their lifestyle. If you learned something new or you like what you see in this video, please consider subscribing. Okay, so I was running into a problem a few days ago where my Mac computer kept connecting to the wrong Wi-Fi network. It was connecting to one of my neighbor's Wi-Fi networks and my signal wasn't very strong, and it would take me a while to realize that my Mac was automatically connecting to someone else's Wi-Fi network. So let me show you really quickly how to forget a Wi-Fi network so that your computer won't automatically connect to the wrong network. Okay, so to do this, you're gonna go up to the top of your Mac screen and just click on the little Wi-Fi icon. And then you're going to click Open Network Preferences. Now when this little screen pops up, you can click Advanced and you can see all the preferred Wi-Fi networks. Now to forget a Wi-Fi network that you don't want to connect to anymore, all you have to do is click on the network that you want to forget and then click the little minus sign and it will remove that network from your list. So now when you're trying to connect to Wi-Fi at your home, or let's say you're somewhere where you always go and it's connecting to the wrong Wi-Fi, it won't do that anymore. So I did this for my neighbor's Wi-Fi, I just took it off, and now my computer will automatically connect to my Wi-Fi instead of my neighbor's. Alright, if you like this video, if you learned something new, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button right below this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of our other awesome videos on our channel so you can learn how to use technology to improve your lifestyle. We'll see you guys in the next video.